really don't want to leave the dog at home, but I'm already out, and I don't know how far I want to walk. I don't know how far this walk is, but I'm going to see if I can get to the airport and grab some video footage of that, because this is going to be a nothing day as far as Argo. Hey people, so the plan was to film some footage of the airplanes taking off at LAX this week, but I was going to ride my bike down there, and I'm already on foot filming the Argo project, so I thought, why not just keep walking? Big mistake. This is a long walk, probably a mile. I don't have my shoes tied right, and my feet are starting to hurt. It's cold, it might rain, a lot of moisture in the air, so this was a big mistake. But we're going to get some footage. Please do a thumbs up, a share, a like, share the video. Definitely help me out. Leave lots of comments. Help out my channel. If you want to donate, keep me going, ask for my PayPal info. Nobody ever does, but I say it anyway. Maybe there's a millionaire out there. And what else do I want to say? It's a review channel. If there's a product you want me to review, let me know what it is. If I can get a hold of it, I'll do the review. So I'll be back in about 10 minutes of walking, and we'll record. Alright, I'm at LAX. I just walked like a mile and a half to do this. The weather is terrible. I hope it's not going to rain, because I've got to walk a mile and a half back. But I've never been on this side of this. Well, I have, but a long time ago. I didn't know you could. Ah, it's loud. Look at that. I really made a big mistake. I should have brought my hearing protection. It is way too loud here. If I had a tripod, I could cover my ears. So I'm not going to wipe out my hearing for this video. But this is a good place to shoot video that I didn't even know would have such a good view. There's another area further down that has a really nice view looking downward. And I'm just going to shoot a little bit of video here. Here we go. Got a plane taking off. Where is it? Looks really good against the cloudy skies. Even though I wish it was sunny, and I wish I had my hearing plugs. So, looks like we have a ton of planes there, I believe, lined up for takeoff. So I'm probably going to come back out here again in the not too distant future and bring hearing protection. Okay, there they are. They're lined up over there. Bring some hearing protection and come out here and shoot some video. Yeah, this is really nice. Nice quiet street. Nobody to bother me. Looking at this construction site over here. I don't know what the heck it's for. Alright, here, is he taking off, or is he... It's not as busy as it was. I think it's supposed to be busy in like another hour or two. It's still pretty early. Yeah, long walk. It's cold, it's windy, and I'm going to have to go back and shower because I'm all burning up from walking out here. Here we go. Maybe I need to zoom in a little bit. So I'm still walking. I'm going to try to find that location, if I can, where I'm up a little bit higher, looking down into the airport. And then I'm going to head on home before it rains. I don't know if it's supposed to rain, but might be taking my mom to the doctor in a little bit. I shoot a lot of video. I shoot a good amount of video, and I never have any problems when I'm out shooting video. You know, you watch these idiots doing those First Amendment audits where they walk into a building and jam a camera in somebody's face thinking that they're protecting their rights. Your rights are Delta, look at that. He's flying, man, look at him. Well, of course he's flying, he's moving. Your rights are to be able to film anywhere, I agree, but who in the world is going to go take a camera into an office and start filming somebody working? Ridiculous. So, as a person who shoots video, I do it the right way. I do it the clean way. You shoot your video. Where the heck is that area where I used to stand on top of and look down? I don't know. Oh, there it is. Okay, I see it. I'm going to go walk over there now. Yeah, there's a cop standing parked around the corner. So you just do it the right way. You don't stir up problems. You don't cause problems. Is he landing? Alright, so I'm going to go cross over and... Alright, here comes another one. Look how fast they go. Just incredible. Awesome. Alrighty, I'm a little bit higher up on ground level, and I'm a little further away, not by much, from all the noise. So, let's see. Yeah, I can see one. I'm going to have to zoom in. Let me stop in a minute. Lean against a post for stability. And we have a plane lined up over there to take off. That white one with the lights flashing. I cannot see a thing with all this glare. And then if you look in the background on the right where he's going to pass in a minute, there's another plane lining up to take off. Alaska Air. Okay, so I get a kind of better view looking downward, but I really miss a lot of the plane. Okay, so what do we have over here? We've got this one behind me. And we got that guy's turning right, so we have one. We have one. How many? We have one. Okay, there it is. The down over there. We have one lined up. We have one behind him. 2, 3. I think we've only got a few. Look at the size of this thing. Oh my God. This is a little bit easier on the hearing, but next time I come out here, I'm going to have a plastic bag to protect the camera. I'm going to have some earplugs. Looks like a Delta. At least my vision's not that bad. Okay, we got one, then we have a Southwest, we have a white plane, we have another Southwest. We have 4 planes lined up. Not that big. Oh, and there's another Southwest. I don't know if he's taking off or coming in. So it's not as busy as I had thought it was going to be. But this is not listed as the busy time. Like 6 a.m. is busy, and I think 11 a.m. is busy. I came out here one time about 4 o'clock, and this place had about 10, 15 planes lined up to take off. So look at that beautiful sky out there. That's Los Angeles for you people. Sun's trying to break through the clouds. Got this wonderful LA air. You got a golf course across the street over here, and some radar stuff. Let's grab a few more planes taking off. Should give me a good video to post. Then I'll get on out of here. I will get out of here. I don't need to say get on. I'll get out of here. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3. It looks like about 4 planes lined up. Very, very slow. Very slow. Not much happening. And we got the police car, police SUV driving down the side road by the runway. I don't know if that doesn't look like LAPD, but it doesn't look like airport police. So, I don't know. Man, this place stinks. That fuel, the brakes, the smell. Ugh. Okay, so we've got 2 planes in the back over there. We got one that's coming around to take off and one that's getting ready to take off, and 2 Southwests behind. So not that many planes. And one coming in. One coming in for landing. Do I want to get the one that's coming in for landing or the one taking off? Let's get the one that's landing. Beautiful. Okay, I've got like a long walk, a really long walk to get back to where I started from, so I'm going to start doing that now. I think the weather is calming down, but I still don't know if it's going to rain. My eyes are just tearing like I'm crying from all of this cold air and probably all the pollen in the sky. I'm going to have one more take off. Zoomed in really far. That's the only problem, is this power thing in the tree over here. West is coming up in a minute. There he goes. So the nice thing is I'm able to see more. Not see more, but see more when I come over here, but I can't really see as much looking downward. And there is a plane taking off on the... That's really good. That's really good. That's how they drive around here. That was an Uber driver. What a surprise. Alright, so it's pretty quiet. We got that Southwest that's coming over there. And this one slowed down when he saw the camera. Incredible what that camera does to driving skills. Okay, let me cross and get out of the way over here before somebody runs me over. Alright, what do we have? It sounds like a small plane. Air American Eagle. It's a small plane. And here is the Southwest. Taking off. So I get a better view when I'm over here. But I can't see downward as much. At least I'm not blocked by the trees. Alright, I think that's going to be it. Drag strip over here, and all of a sudden no planes are taking off. That's kind of odd. Next time I come down here, I'll follow the information about when the airport is the busiest, and I'll bring my hearing protection, and I'll come out and shoot for maybe half an hour and get some good video. Alright, what the heck is this? Private plane? Another American Eagle. One takes off, one lands. And there's a plane taking off in the back over there. Alrighty. So I'm going to shut this down. Remember to share the video, leave some comments, do some likes, thumbs up, help me out. Unless you don't want to. Subscribe, definitely subscribe, make this channel grow. I only have like 17,000 subscribers. I need about 17 million. If I get 17 million, man, that would be awesome. The advertising revenue would just be insane. And believe me, with that amount of money, I would just be donating it all over the place because you can't really spend that much in your lifetime. So, okay, it's quiet. Look at this, it's really quiet. Yeah, there's another construction thing here. I have no clue what this is. This is 9101 Northside Parkway Midfield Satellite Concourse. I don't know what any of that means. But no planes taken off in the last, what, 2 minutes? It's a plane landing. All right, I'm going to put this camera on my belt and get out of here. See ya.